Hey guys, this is Denise with Family Canine Training here in Orlando, Florida. So welcome to my puppy channel. If you've been watching, I really appreciate it. Hit the button to subscribe. All you will need for this lesson is your slip lead leash, your dog's kibble, preferably kibble. You're gonna need a lot of repetition, and a clicker if you want. You do not have to use a clicker. You can use a marker or a precursor to a reward. The dog needs to know that a reward's coming. So if you use one word consistently, whatever word that it is, you teach that dog that after that word or clicker, marker, that there's a food reward that's gonna follow. And that tells the dog that you like the behavior that they're giving you. There's a right way and a wrong way to use a slip lead. So once you put the slip lead on as a slip, meaning over the head, depending on what side you're gonna walk the dog on. In the video, you're gonna see I have the puppy on my right. So the leash is going to be going towards me, pointing in my direction. Think of it as a wave in the ocean hitting you. So you want it in your direction. If it's the opposite way from you, you're not gonna receive the release of the slip lead, the mechanism that it's designed to do. So you're gonna want it this way in your direction. So the dog's on the left, you're gonna want the slip lead in your direction on your left hand, like that wave hitting you. Heel. The hand that you have the food in, if the puppy's not following you, make sure you have a hungry puppy. If it's not working easily like this, lure the dog. That means use the food to let the dog follow it. So heel and feed, heel, heel, and you let it go after the click. You have it in your hand for the dog to follow, but you let it go after the click. Heel, heel, heel. Good girl. No? Good. Heel. Let's go. Heel. Heel. And if they get jumpy, just retreat it. Heel. Heel. Good girl. I'm going to be walking the puppy on my right. I'm going to keep some kibble on my right hand where I have the leash, because I'm using very little guidance. And the clicker is on my left. Let's go. Heel. Heel. Later on, you can shape those into some sits. Heel. So the moment that she moved, I clicked. Heel. And that wall keeps her nice and straight. Now that she's sat, as I reload my hand with some kibble, I'm gonna click. Take advantage of those moments to mark that duration, meaning her stay. Gather up my leash again. Treats are in that right hand. Clicker's on the left. Heel. Once she moves, I mark. Let's go. Heel. Once she got in the follow me position, I clicked. Heel. Heel. Actually, I misclicked there. Heel. 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 See, it's much easier with a wall. The puppy stays in line and is less likely to take off on you with the wall. Much easier